I have been really satisfied with the Physician's Choice Probiotics. I love how it includes 60 billion CFUs of probiotics and that it's gluten-free and CGMP certified. And these probiotics do not need to be refrigerated, which is great for me and it's very convenient. Here are all the strains that are contained within this probiotic. I really enjoy how easy these capsules are to take. You only need one each day, and each capsule is not very big at all, so they are easy and convenient to take. The bottle that I bought contains a 30-day supply. And so, if you are interested in a probiotic that is easy to take on the go, that does not require refrigeration, that only requires one capsule each day, I 100% recommend the Physician's Choice Probiotics.